Bavishya, hosting today's special assembly. Hey Bavishya, it's cool. Yes, Admika, it's winter with Christmas vibes too. We are here to make you all to enjoy the Christmas celebration. Let's start our day with our school prayer. Here comes Rafti with our school prayer. Good morning everyone. Join your hands, close your eyes. Our Father, honored in heaven, as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, lead us not create good ideas. Here comes Snehita with the thought of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Snehita. Today's thought. Angels are all around us all the time in the very air we breathe. Thank you. Let us add a new word to our interest by Samay.
Good morning everyone, my name is Samay. Today's word is Santa. Santa means legendary saint of children. Thank you.
Learning new vocabulary and forming correct sentence is very important to learn in English speech. Here comes Satya with the sentence correction.
Good morning everyone, I am Satya. Today's sentence correction. We went in a trip last week is the wrong way to say. We went on a trip last week is the correct way to say. I repeat, we went in a trip last week is the wrong way to say. We went on a trip last week is the correct way to say. Thank you.
To test your skills, here comes.
We went on a trip last week is the correct way to say. I repeat, we went in a trip last week is the wrong way to say. We went on a trip last week is the correct way to say. Thank you.
To test your skills, here comes Karti and Kartika with a riddle.
Good morning everybody, I am Karthi. Today's first riddle. What do fish sing at Christmas time? Answer Christmas carols.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kartika. Today's second riddle. Bread green plant with red berries. Who am I? Answer Christmas tree. Thank you. The world is full of amazing facts. Here comes Devipya and Kavana with few amazing facts.
Good morning everyone, my name is Deripya. I'm here with today's first amazing fact. Today's first amazing fact is the Christmas trees are also known as Yule trees. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavana. Today's amazing fact. Santa's suit originally was blue, green and purple, not red. Thank you. Life is better when you're laughing. So let's welcome Lakshit and Jeshna to make us all laugh on this special day.
Good morning
everyone. My name is Jeshna.
My name is Lakshit.
My name is Jeshna Reddy.
We are with make you all to laugh. So, Jeshna, with today's first amazing fact. Today's first amazing fact is the Christmas trees are also known as Yule trees. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavana. Today's amazing fact. Santa's suit originally was blue, green and purple, not red. Thank you. Life is better when you're laughing. So let's welcome Lakshit and Jeshna to make us all laugh on this special day.
Good morning everyone.
My name is Jeshna.
My name is Lakshit.
My name is Jeshna Reddy.
We are with make you all to laugh. So, Jeshna, what do you call Santa when he stops moving?
Sir. Answer Santa Claus.
You are only laughing, right? I will ask another question. What does farmer eat for lunch?
Sir. Answer.
He will eat ice cream.
Thank you. Here comes Muslim with the tongue twister. Good morning everyone. My name is Muslim. Today's tongue twister. She shells seashells by the seashore. She shells seashells by the seashore. She shells seashells by the seashore. Thank you. Seashells by the seashore. Thank you. On this special occasion, let's have a beautiful speech by Akash.
Good morning everyone, I am Akash for the speech. Christmas is a famous festival celebrated by Christians. Christians celebrate this festival on 25th of December. Jesus was born on this beautiful day of Christmas, which is why people celebrate this day as a festival. Christians celebrate Christmas organizing different events and shows and inviting near ones. People make numerous delicacies at Christmas. Thank you.
Christmas means songs, carols, so let's welcome Olivia and Anvi to sing a nice song. Good morning everyone. I'm Olivia and I'm Anvi. We are here with today's song. Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing all the praise, and the